So first, we're going to download and install .NET Core SDK. .NET Core is basically an open source framework for Windows, Linux, and macOS operating systems. Now, what is a framework, you might ask? To put it very simply, it is just a collection of libraries, aka code, that other people at Microsoft have already written so we can use right out of the box. It is pre-written functionality that we can use for free without having to write anything ourselves. Just makes development easier so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. That's all a framework is. Nothing more, nothing less. One special thing about .NET Core though is that it is a new framework by Microsoft and it is cross-platform compatible. So if you want to use it on Windows, Linux, or macOS operating systems, you can. Our reason for using it is because it is new, so we want to stay with the latest and greatest. Now you might also ask, what's the difference between .NET Core and .NET Core SDK? And that's a good question. Basically, .NET Core is just the framework, but .NET Core SDK is a package of .NET Core plus other tools that will allow us to build applications using .NET Core. So once again, it is .NET Core plus other stuff that we need in order to write apps. That's all. You will see some of those tools in the next video. For now, let's go ahead and download and install .NET Core SDK. So as you see, I'm on Google. Just type in download .NET Core SDK, say Google search, and then the first link, as you see right here, click on that. And you will choose Build Apps. So click Download .NET Core SDK. Wait for it to download. So once it's downloaded, just open it up. Give it a few seconds. And now the installation process is actually very simple. Just say install. And let it do its thing. Great. Installation was successful. You can close. And I would suggest you restart your computer before moving on to the next video so that everything is proper. I'll see you in the next video.